Alright, Gympie Road, Toyota used car dealership has an SV6 Black Edition. 32,990 for it. See how many kilometers it's done. It's done 10,500, not bad. The Black Edition had the lip spoiler at the back that was black, side vents were black, and the interior was black from memory as well. Also no chrome around the windows, that was all black. I did see another VF down here. Let's go and have a look. It's a Ute, looks like an SV6 with those rims. $32,990 as well. Actually, that one's sold. Oh, that's a good thing. Won't look at that then. No others in the yard. What's over there? Oh, that's it. All right, let's go to the next yard. All right, Gympie Road, a Ford used vehicle dealership. The enemy, as I call it. All these Mustang things that I'd never buy. Unsafe. One's got a flat tyre. Sucked in. I did see a wagon over here, yes. SV6 Black Edition. See how many Ks it's done. $92,000 Ks. Series 2, obviously. A Black Edition that's black. 21,998. There you go. Ford used vehicle. How dare anyone trade a VF in for a Ford? How dare you? But there it is. And again, I'm not trying to help used car salesmen sell vehicles. Just hunting for VF Commodores. Go back and have a look at this flat tyre again. See, this is what they sell you with a Ford. Defective vehicle. Where is it? That one there, the red one. Comical. Ah well, next yard it is. Alright, the Mitsubishi dealer on Gympie Road. Another Ute. How many Ks has it done? Let's have a look. How many Ks has it done? 96,000 for 21,985. Series 1, SV6. Look in the interior, it looks not too bad. There you go. Mitsubishi dealer on Gympie Road has a Ute black SV6. Zaps Holden, Gympie Road. It's like another Ute. Yes, it is. Let's have a look at this one. How many Ks has it done? SV6. There's no card in it. Look at the interior. It looks pretty good in there. Yep, Zaps Holden, Gympie Road, SV6 Ute. Seeing a lot of Utes. Let's see if there's any more down here. Let's go for a wander. What's that there? Ooh, looks like an Evoque. Yeah, it's like a wagon. White. Yeah, Evoque wagon. Let's have a looky here. 113,000 Ks. Yeah, there she is. I did see another one over here, right here actually. Another Evoque. How many Ks has this one done? It's got a cargo barrier in the back of it. Probably a rep's car. I remember I used to have my own Commodore for my work. Used to do the same thing, cargo barrier behind the driver's seat. How many Ks is this one done? Let's have a look. 113,000. Is that the same as that one over there? 113762. Let's go and have a look. 13. It's the same card. It's the same card. Ah well, they're down here anyway. These ones are in the Nissan used service, used car vehicles. A couple of white Evoques. I did see another one out the back, sorry, out the front here. Let's go and have a look through here. An Evoque, I think. Silver. Yep, it's an Evoque. Series 2, I think. How much is it? There's no card in that one. Oh well, another Evoque. Yeah, Series 2. Again in the Holden's up on Gympie Road. And trust me, I'm not here to sell cars for used car salesmen. I'm just here to show what VFs are out there in the world, sitting in used car lots, soaking up dust. They'd be much better be driven out on the roads. Can't see any more in this yard, so let's go for another drive to another yard. While I'm here though, there's a couple of ZL1s out the front, a black and a white one. Have a look inside. They do look aggressive from the front, but there's something again I'd never buy. Two-seaters. The only other two-seaters I'd buy would be a Lamborghini if I had that money. White or black, take your pick, or is that more of a silver, dark silver? I think it is. Strange them leaving them out the front like that. Anyway, on to more important things, a VF Commodore. Alright, so we've got a Calais here, Series 2. How many kilometres has it done? 64,000. What's its price? 22,490. Not too bad. It is automatic. Always love the front end of the Calais. Bit dirty. A few bird turds on it. The tyres look not too bad. The rims look okay. No big obvious scratches. Yeah, the back end looks alright. I did see a ute over here. Oh yeah, Series 2. It's a black edition as well. How many kilometres has it done? 42,000. What's its price? 36,247. It's silver in colour. Have a look inside. It's automatic. Interior is looking pretty good. Hard top. Tyres look okay. So yeah, that's two of them in this yard. I'll have a wander down here. I did see another one, SS I think it is, next to the piece of shit of a Mustang. I mean, who in their right mind would buy a Ford? It's an SS. How many kilometres? 83,000. Oh, it's manual. See there? Interior looks not too bad. Series 1 SS. the side. Have a look this side. Front end looks not too bad. Obvious dents or scratches on it. Parisian steel, I think this is colour. Actually two prices on it, 27,992, and on the side of it it's got 30,990. So yeah, take your pick. But yes, very nice. As I said, next to the piece of shit of a Ford. So I hope you liked the video. As I said, I'm not here to help or assist used car salesmen in selling vehicles. Just purely on a Sunday morning bored because of the lockdown, having a wander around for VF Commodores. And yeah, please like, share and subscribe. And thanks again for watching.